Hey, what we is? For lifers. Yo, what is do? It's the Ram Fam period, boy, blank period. It's Destiny, that's your name.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. You already know
It's the Ram Fam.
All right, y'all. What's going on? Good morning, guys. Y'all already know this is your girl Shirley right here. We have Janaris there in the back, and then we have JoJo right over there. And currently, we're standing in front of Janaris and Joseph's school. I just finished dropping off Destiny. She was actually a little late. We went to sleep late last night. We went to sleep like around 11 o'clock, and that's not good. We're supposed to be in bed by 9 a.m. But anywho, guys, you know, we made it out. It's a rainy day today. Let me just show y'all. Look at that. It's raining out today, y'all. It's, you know, it's a little gloomy out and all that. But you know what? I like the rain. We are waiting for the doors to open for Joseph to go in school and Janaris to go in school today, guys. Man, oh man. I just figured I'll vlog this so you guys can come with me and see how my day goes as a single parent. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, pretty much after this I have to go to the supermarket. And I have to do so many other things. I have to cancel 2 appointments today, 2 doctor's appointments today for Janaris and Destiny, because I have an orientation for Jazzy going on. So yeah, guys, pretty much. So I'm gonna run today, you know, and you guys are gonna come with me. So you guys stay tuned, and most importantly, I hope you guys are staying safe. For my students out there, listen, guys, just do what you gotta do. You know, make school a priority. Excuse me. And stay positive. You guys can do it. I know it's been a long time since you guys been in school, but listen, man, it's not that bad. Like, just do what you gotta do. You understand what I'm saying? And that's it. You guys will be okay. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for my next oh, stay tuned for my next move, and I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all. Say hi.
Hi.
You should have wore your hoodie, man.
I know, but they were gonna tell me to take it off.
How you gonna wear a hoodie the other day and not wear one today? I don't get you. All right, so let's show Janaris. Bye, baby. You okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, so we're just waiting till they open this door. It's raining. Cats and dogs out here. All right, there they go. Bye, Jojo. I love you. See you later. Go, Jojo, go. All right, y'all. I'm walking back to the car now. Dropped the kids off already. Janaris is already in. Now heading on to the next task. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so I just arrived at the supermarket. I'm in a lot right now, and I'm about to go in there get a couple of things. Let me just put my mask on. So yeah, guys. Right now I'm just picking up things up. Put the light. Cause I'm coming to do a full food shopping and in the next 2 days anyway, so I don't have to buy a lot today. I need some tortillas. Kids love making their burritos with that. And we need garbage bags. These are really good, guys. Really good. Let me get some juice. Alright guys, so I'm heading out now. Look at this rain, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm back in the car now. I'm gonna go home, drop these things off, and then I'm gonna be hitting the road again. So stay tuned, guys. All right, y'all. So right now I'm with Jazzy. We're rushing to her school. I'm like 5 minutes late. Say hi, Jazzy. Hi. All right. Yeah, guys. So I'm in a rush. So yeah, guys, we gotta wait. We're late. You ready for school, Jazzy? Yes. So yeah, guys, we'll be back. All right, guys. So we just finished at Jazzy's school. We just finished orientation for her. Now we're heading back out. Today was hectic. Push. Yes. Good. Very good, Mama. Go ahead. Jazzy, so how do you feel about your new school?
Good.
You feel good? Oh, Jazzy wants to go to the playground over there. But not today, Mama, because it's raining. But it's raining. The slides are wet. You can't play with that right now. Come on.
No, I want to.
Jazzy, you cannot play in the rain. No one goes to the park in the rain. You don't see any of your classmates there. You don't see anybody there. Come on. Come on, Mama. We're going to walk to the car. No, you need to be nice. Or I'm going to go tell Miss Janice and Miss McCoy that you being a bad girl. Okay, then. So you have to relax, okay? Ay. Come on, can we walk a little faster? Because I'm trying to get in the car and I'm getting wet. Come on. So it's raining out here. I'm looking a hot mess. I come out the house one way looking all right, and the next thing you know, once I hit these streets, honey, you know I done hit these streets, okay? So yeah, right now we're walking back to the car. Jazzy, wait. Wait, Jazzy. Wait, Jazzy. Give me your hand. Give me your hand, please. Give me your hand. Yeah. So yeah, guys, right now we're just walking.
Where are we going?
We're going home. Is that okay with you?
No.
Why? Because what? You want to stay in school?
No, I want to go now.
Alright, guys, so. Yeah. I've been juggling with a lot, y'all. But yeah, we're on our way home now. I think I'm done for the day. So I'm about to go find what to do at home and get ready to pick up the rest of the kids in a bit. Alright, guys. We'll be back.
Opening night.